Jubail Industrial College, English Language Institute, welcome to online learning. Week 2. English Unlimited, A1 Skills, page 18. Look at the goals for Unit 2.3. First, you will learn to talk about people you know and also say where people live and work. Donna's family. Read the information that Donna gives about herself and her family. Reading and listening. Exercise 1. Now listen to Donna talking about herself and about her family. Who are the people in photos A to C?
Track 32.
My name is Donna. I come from Canada, but I live in London and work for a company in London. My parents live in Halifax. They have a house there. And my brother lives in Australia. He has an Australian wife and 3 children. My sister lives in Tokyo and works for Sony Corporation.
Now check your answers. Picture A. These are her parents. Picture B. This is her sister. And picture C. This is her brother and his family. Exercise 2. Read about Donna's family again and complete the table. Check your answers. We say I, we, they live. I, we and they work. I, we and they have. But we say he lives or she lives. For example, I live in London. My brother lives in Australia. So you mustn't forget that extra S at the end with he and she. Work. He works. She works. For example, I work for a company in London. My sister works for Sony Corporation. Have. We say he has. She has. For example, my parents have a house there. My parents, we say they. So we say my parents have a house there. But we say my brother has an Australian wife. Grammar. Lives, works, has. Exercise 3. Circle the correct verb. Now check your answers. Number 1. I have 2 children. Number 2. My sister lives in Australia. Number 3. My friend Carlos has a flat in Buenos Aires. Number 4. Her parents live in Berlin. Number 5. We have a house in Florida. And number 6. She works for Microsoft. Exercise 4. Cover what Donna says. Can you remember? Write sentences. Now check your answers. Number 1. I live in London. Number 2. I work in or for a company in London. Number 3. My parents live in Halifax. Number 4. They have a house there. Number 5. My brother lives in Australia. Number 6. He has an Australian wife and 3 children. Number 7. My sister lives in Tokyo. And number 8. She works for Sony Corporation. Now practice reading the sentences in exercise 3 and 4.